The proposed teardrop roundabouts at the I-285 Riverside Drive interchange are a modern safety improvement that converts the existing signalized intersections at each ramp into single-lane teardrop roundabouts working in tandem across the overpass. This context-sensitive design improves operations and safety by reducing crash severity and delay. Roundabouts flow in a counterclockwise direction, with motorists entering the roundabout at a low speed. Vehicles approaching a roundabout should stop for all pedestrians and crosswalks before the roundabout, yield to all traffic and bicyclists from the left already in the roundabout, and upon exiting, stop for all pedestrians in the crosswalks of the roundabout. Motorists exiting I-285 East wishing to go south onto Riverside Drive should enter the right bypass lane, then yield to all southbound traffic and bicyclists exiting the roundabout before turning south onto Riverside Drive. Motorists exiting I-285 East to Riverside Drive North should enter the left lane of the exit ramp, then yield to approaching traffic from the left in the roundabout before proceeding into the single-lane roundabout and continuing onto Riverside Drive. Motorists are guided around and out of the circulatory roadway by the teardrop shape of the central island before crossing the bridge and entering the second roundabout, where the signage and pavement marking will guide them around and out to the exit for Riverside Drive North. When approaching their desired exit, drivers should use their right turn signal to alert the other motorists of their intention to exit the roundabout. A similar maneuver will be used for northbound and southbound motorists exiting onto Riverside Drive from I-285 West, where entering motorists will yield to all traffic from the left already in the roundabout before using the bypass lane to proceed to Riverside Drive North, or continue into the roundabout to go south on Riverside Drive. Riverside Drive North entering onto I-285 East and Riverside Drive South traffic entering onto I-285 West will simply turn right onto the freeway using the right turn bypass lanes while yielding to all traffic to the left exiting the roundabout. Riverside Drive northbound traffic entering onto I-285 West and Riverside southbound traffic entering onto I-285 East will be guided in and out of both teardrop roundabouts, yielding to traffic from the left already in the roundabouts to their respective east and west entrance onto the freeway. As drivers approach their desired exit, they should use their right turn signal to indicate they are leaving the roundabout. Motorists on Riverside Drive not wishing to enter onto the freeway will simply approach the teardrop roundabouts, north or south, along Riverside Drive and then travel through both roundabouts, while once again yielding to circulating traffic from the left while using their right turn signal to indicate their intent to leave the roundabout. Unlike traditional roundabouts, a teardrop roundabout doesn't allow motorists to travel completely around the circulatory roadway to make a U-turn. A driver wishing to make a U-turn in a teardrop roundabout will need to navigate through both roundabouts. A driver traveling north on Riverside Drive would approach the first roundabout in the left lane, yielding to traffic already in the roundabout to their left. When it is safe to proceed, the driver will enter the roundabout, proceeding across the overpass and into the second roundabout. The driver will then circulate around the second roundabout until they are guided out of the circulatory roadway by the teardrop-shaped central island. They would cross back over the bridge and enter into the first roundabout, where they would continue to Riverside Drive South, using their right turn signal to indicate their intent to depart the roundabout. This same maneuver can also be utilized for motorists traveling southbound on Riverside Drive who wish to U-turn to Riverside Drive northbound. Roundabouts are a popular and modern transportation choice because of their lasting benefits of increasing safety in operation, reducing crashes, reducing carbon emissions, being cost-efficient, and being pedestrian and bicycle-friendly. Remember to always stop for pedestrians and yield left. Safe travels.